Hello and welcome to this class. So today we're going to explore an important English grammar rule, which is subject-verb agreement. This rule is important because it helps us use verbs correctly in sentences. Also, you can find items on civil service exam related to this one. So this session today serves as a review as well. Alright, so what is subject-verb agreement? Simply put, the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. For example, singular or plural. So the rule is singular subjects take singular verbs while plural subjects take plural verbs. Now let's look at some examples. Let's read the first sentence. The cat sleeps on the bed. So here, cat is a singular subject, so we use the singular verb sleeps as well. For the second sentence, the student studies hard. Here in this example, student is a singular subject, so we use the singular verb as well, which is studies. Now let's head to these two other examples. The cats sleep on the bed. Here in this particular example, cats is a plural subject, so it also receives a plural verb, which is sleep without s. The students study hard. That's the second sentence. So here, students is a plural subject, so we use the plural verb study as well. So it takes a plural verb as well. So here are the rules. Let's read one by one. Most verbs add s to form the plural. For example, run, runs, walk, walks. Some verbs remain the same in both singular and plural forms. For example, has or is. Now, there are collective nouns such as team and family. And these collective nouns can be either singular or plural, depending on the context. Now, let's practice together. I am gonna give you a sentence and you have to choose the correct verb form. Okay? Alright, for the first one, the teacher blanked the lesson. Two options, teach or teaches. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Alright, so what's the correct answer? The correct answer is teaches, because teacher is a singular subject, so it also receives a singular verb, which is teaches. Alright, one with an es. Right, let's go to question number 2. The students blanked their homework. Is it do or does? Students is a plural noun, so it should receive a plural verb as well. So what's the correct answer? Alright, if you answered do, then that's the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 3. The cat blanked on the couch. Is it sleep or sleeps? So if you answered sleeps, you are correct, because cat is a singular subject, so it has to receive a singular verb as well, which is sleeps. Alright, so remember everyone that the subject-verb agreement is important for clear and effective communication. So keep practicing and watch out for our next videos. And that's it for today. Great job everyone. Have a nice day.